Prakash sir, I take this opportunity to begin this Viva PhD English of Dr. Arvind Jain, and it's a matter of great pleasure and pride for all of us that the head of the department from CA Autonomous PG College, Dr. Rajesh Yavne is with us as an external examiner. Sir, I take this opportunity to welcome you.
Thank you, sir.
सब इस डायरेक्शन में भी
Okay.
I invite Dr. On this occasion, Mr. Arvind Jain is very lucky, very fortunate enough that we have a very good catering and very senior professors with us. And I will request Arvind Jain again to please welcome Mukesh Bhargava sir. Sir, it will be a pleasure. I would also request Mukesh Bhargava sir to please welcome Rajesh Yavne sir. Please come and welcome Dr.
But I would like to
ये फोटो
Dr. Yavne.
I'm sorry, it will be a retake. Sir,
Okay, it should be like this.
Yes.
This is very important because photo is our logo. Professor Dr. Preeti Bhatt, Head of Department from New Science College. I invite Sachin Yadav. To please welcome Dr. Manisha Sharma Pandey from Mata Jijabai Urban Girls PG College. A very senior person. And I now invite Mukesh Bhargava sir to please welcome Dr. Doshi Abbasi from Holkar Science College, Exam Controller, Holkar Science College. I will now invite Shehzadi Madam to please come and welcome Dr. Kankamul Shehzadi Madam.
just a moment.
Shehzadi is a faculty here in this department, language department.
Photo is more for getting
Now I will request Arvind Jain, the candidate.
46. Time the time for doing this. गुरुओं को प्रणाम करते हुए एक शायरी जरूर बोलूँगा कि माना कि उसके हाथ एक खाली गिलास है, पर इतना तो इत्मीनान है कि वो सुराहियों के पास है। तो मेरा प्रणाम स्वीकार करें
कितने
और
सुराहियों से पानी भरेगा?
इसलिए वो खाली रह गया।
सुराही खाली हो तो क्या करोगे?
नहीं मैंने इसीलिए बहुत सारी ले ली एक आदमी बहरहाल
Thank you.
मैं ये तिरंगा भेंट करना चाहता हूँ मेरा आज के ग्रामीण चीफ गेस्ट
Please come. Please come. Sita Jaiswal, please to come. Please come. And any faculty member here? Yes, Dr. Simran, please come. Welcome, Dr. Roshan Benjamin Khan. Madam, please come here. Roshan Benjamin is the head of department, Mahu College, Government Teaching College. I request Sita Madam to please welcome Dr. Garima Chhabra Madam from my college. Yes, over to you. Anil, over to you.
Yeah. I request you to follow.
Yes.
हाँ यहाँ एक मुझे और ले आओ।
सर्वभूतेषु संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ओम सरस्वती नमः। We take an oath. We salute our national flag and pledge our allegiance to the same. Its honor and its glory depends upon the zeal and the assiduity with which each one of us shoulder his or her responsibilities as a good citizen. Its glorious history, written in letters of gold, inspires us to put in good work for the fair name of our country. We declare our unflinching loyalty to our national flag and maintain that its course shall be our course, and each individual amongst us shall make genuine efforts to aid to its luster and glory and make it fly proudly aloft in the committee of the nation. We'll observe 15 seconds silence for the world peace. Om Shanti. We are just going to go for national anthem. 3, 2, 1.
There were two examiners. One is from Mumbai, Dr. R.V. Yavale, who is with us. Sir has recommended the award of, and he says that there is reference to Wordsworth, solitary paper, and daffodils for teaching language. I'm just reading 3 or 4 lines from his report, and he talks about that the area of research is very ambitious and pragmatic and worthy for, and sir is appreciated and has strongly recommended the award of PhD to the candidate subject to this conduction of this bio-OBC examination. Another report is from another examiner who has equally appreciated this report, PhD. Scholar has studied extensively to collect material and incorporate detailed analysis of each component. His understanding of the subject and language is good. There are good examples in support of the arguments and hypotheses of the various years of literature, and their spatial examples have shown a classroom atmosphere can be created and rejuvenated. The researcher has also provided sociological, psychological and cultural factors in effective learning of language. I strongly recommend the thesis for the award of the degree of PhD. Now, this is the final defense, and I hope Mr. Ranjan would make his presentation and defend his Bible in the fruits of his argument. Please start.
Well,
लाइटें बंद करवा ऑफ करवा
because still my daughter is dim. I want to make it right with your blessings and the guidance which I will be needing in future. Please. Shall we start from the beginning? First is well, this is an empirical and analytical approach to the study of exploring the great text for teaching English language. Well, this topic I chose because I am teaching of English since long and I wanted to serve the society in an authoritative manner. So I took the guidance from all the seniors and the seniors in the field. Okay. So well, is none other than the gentleman over here, treating me as a friend but always guiding me and sometimes he's scolding me. Sometimes.
Happens.
Doctor, yeah. This is Dr. Ashok Sasdeva and talking about English, not as usual like government laws, PG college, well, here is my center and the center also gave me a lot many good things in my life and a very important thing which we give to the students is the motivation. Sometimes I think it is very difficult for us to teach, but if we teach with some preaching, preaching is there, motivation is there, then definitely we can facilitate them to learn more. And I tried my level best to go through my journey of learning and earning this PhD. This is earning. After a lot of learning, there is earning. The School of Comparative Languages and Culture has given me a lot of good things, good people, and sometimes I had some thoughts which were not appropriate, and sometimes I meet Usha Jain madam, Garima ji, Roshan madam, and Manisha ji, and they suggested me that your line of action is not proper then. What is proper then? Then they suggested and they gave me the guidance. Every time when I did something like very important in my research was the English Improvement Tombola. You learn when you are just enjoying. That is what I did. And I know that what is done with pleasure is done full measure. Okay, we go ahead. With the blessings of Shani Dev and my Guru Dev, Amin Sayani ji, next. He's my Guru for last 50 years and he's 90 now. So this thesis is dedicated to him. Next. And here are the bullets. One by one. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. English language teaching access worldwide education systems and it creates opportunities for the students to analyze and adopt new inventions in the field of teaching. Because, you know, as the time passed, we remember 1935 Macaulay and we talk about that all. And after that, there were not many, you know, we can say invention in this field. And those inventions were always helpful for the students of any field, because the language is, it becomes barrier when you know not and you don't have the language, so how you will communicate? So for that communication, this is the purpose of my entering this PhD, and then the proposed research in stages today is to investigate and grow into the growing importance, importance role and function of teaching English language and literature, and to observe, record and analyze social metamorphosis, transition and transformation in the wake of westernization, globalization and computerization. So now the time is changed. So in this changed time, what happened? There was a great metamorphosis, transition as it is mentioned over there, and transformation. So with that also things are changed, but we need to justify that with the people who can accept it gladly. Okay. So the present research work is looking into all the empirical and analytical approach in the terms of language, vocabulary, syntax, and semantic, linguistic, and stylist features, thematic and creative character, plot, etc. that go into the process of making. As I am a visiting faculty in colleges, I got the opportunity to circulate my questionnaires and I asked. So sometimes I found that the picture is very appealing and people are not that much conversant and happy with English because they don't know and they don't want to work hard for it. So what the thing is, again I would like to use the same word, motivation. And how you motivate, you have to adopt different ways for motivating people, other students especially. On an individual level, English language improves personality and increases sense of self. What I know is a person who is speaking in English and is talking conveniently with others, there is some self-worth. He realizes that he has got more confidence because he is speaking English, and even people appreciate him time and again. 20th century snacks policy changes and in terms of computerization, globalization, and globalism, westernization, emergence of social media, and teaching methods which are best managed and reflected in English language teaching and literature. Okay. This is the year of LPG, that is the liberalization, privatization and globalization. In this era, what is needed is, again, facilitation. Because I don't remember that 30 or 40 years back there were a lot of restrictions. Now there are a lot of restrictions and the students are not coming closer to whatever they are learning. You know, why this learning? This learning is for the society ultimately. PhD means what I already discussed about the full forms of 1, 2, 3. There were 3 phases. Doctor of Philosophy when I entered, then I realized Pagal Hoge Dekho, and now I feel like in your gracious presence and your blessings that it is patriotic, humble deliberations. So again I made full form and I think it will be
Nice.
It will be helpful in this society. And some of you know that I go to the downtrodden and underprivileged only every Thursday. But this time, I think from once he gave the green signal, my guru, Dr. Rajesh Vishnu Yevle, right? If he gives me the green signal, then I will be going on every Thursday to those people authoritatively. Till now, I was not doing that authoritatively. But I tell you honestly, whenever I go there on Activa, I feel like I am sitting on an Audi because the people, they don't have any reach, you know. So whatever responsibility as a teacher is to motivate them, to make them a good learner. And for that, you have to make stories and real stories like 5 chapters. Now I will discuss, there are 5 chapters incorporated and in different forms, different ways. Chapter 1 is here the study of objectives and background is highlighted. In this introduction and the study of objectives, the research offers a rationale of setting goals for teaching English through literature. Sounds formidable. थोड़ा डरावना सा हैवी करने वाला सा वर्ड लगता है लिटरेचर. But literature is her forte, as she always forte is the early people. So, and literature is formidable. I was knowing that all, but it cannot. I mean, language cannot be learned without the help of literature, because literature is given not many complicated things, but why you are there for otherwise. So you have to simplify and make the student understand and make the things comprehensive. You can make with the good examples. You can do this. So next is here I would like to say there are skills. LSRW, everybody is talking about LSRW, but I added one more W in skills, and that is watching. That was the watching which I appreciate, because listen actively and speak confidently and read loudly. These are my formulas to teach. Read loudly because pronunciation. Otherwise, people pronounce things in their way, the way they like. They call karaoke because they are reading karaoke, but it is karaoke. They call it generic, but it is genre. So pronunciation part. For that, skills. Watching is very important because the picture speaks 1,000 words. Everyone knows that. Fine. Next we go to the areas. Those are the vocabulary. If you are having robust vocabulary, your imagination power will be wonderful. So vocabulary, pronunciations, and syntax we talk about. Okay. Well, chapter 2 says that in the proposed field of study, the review is done of nobody. Contributions and related literature. So people have worked in this field since long, and very fruitful things are there, but थोड़े से आलसी हैं. They don't read. Actually, I tell you, they get tired after reading 2-3 pages. So with the context and other things like things, you can just motivate them. I'm using this word motivation and facilitation and positive learning and this all, because this is the only thing where you can make the student to learn. Okay. There must be humor when you take a class. There must be humor. थोड़ी ढिलवाई भी होना चाहिए. तो बड़ा संजीदा सा माहौल हो जाता है और फिर लर्निंग करना मुश्किल होता है, डिफिकल्ट होता है. आपके चेहरे पर हंसी बनी रहनी चाहिए, भले गुस्सा आ रहा है. Third is that this chapter deals with the material principles of teaching methods, questionnaires, scope, limitations, testing and evaluation, and teaching pedagogies of the study of English. We have learned from the authorities like you people. I have learned a lot of new things, and for to teach, you must read a lot. Means if you want to be a proper teacher, you need to read a lot. At least I always say, Chalisa is very important in Bharat. So, Hanuman Chalisa, Tara Chalisa, life begins at 40. Itna sara Ali Baba 40 cho. So we must read at least 40 pages every day loudly. I do this in Hindi and English. I would like to give you an example. Today's newspaper is there in my pocket. It is always there in my pocket. I just want to, I'm sorry, I'm going out of the context, but this is the editorial, today's newspaper editorial, and this editorial is there which gives us a lot of words, vocabulary, ideas, imagination, and whatnot. And this is Hindi, right, as I teach both the languages, right. If you keep blessing, I'm going to go for a PhD in Hindi as well, sometime. Okay. Next is for this chapter deals with all the genre and the related nuances. Genre, right? So drama is there, poetry is there, prose is there, short stories are there. So these are the genres, we call genres. And in this, we have got lot many things to learn through Hamlet or Daffodils, or that is by William Wordsworth, and Hamlet, that is Shakespeare. Then New Atlantis and short stories. Short stories, I prepared some short stories last year when you requested Dr. Professor Zainuddin Patil, and he appeared and he suggested me, don't go for any other story, go for the unicorn in the garden. Yeah, he said no, this is the right thing, and then booby and booby hat and straight jacket and jaybird, and I don't know how many words were there, and he suggested me why don't you go for that? That will actually give a proper impact. So, any questions?
No, please go ahead.
Sir, the body language was different, that's why I said. And I was scared. When you were like this, I was scared of pata nahi kya. So, anyways, chapter 5, that is this chapter sums up and conclude with the providence of the findings and outcome. Okay. The elaborated part is there in next slide. So, this is chapter 1. There is an introduction because this is a rational and objective. This is entirely an empirical and analytical approach to the study and exploring the text for teaching English language. Emphasizes the use of literature as a popular strategy for teaching. Basic language, LSRW skills, that is listening, speaking, reading, writing, language areas, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation. The syntax I was talking about was grammar actually. Syntax and semantics and linguistics and other things are there. So I just merged that over here, so I'm sorry. So it was grammar. Well, I think that we need to go to the grammar, but to know, as Dr. Patil said, that you always jump in the water and you go to the surface first, then you go to the depth. So don't go to the grammar first, you go to the surface first. Means you read a lot, try to understand, and do the lot of guesswork and this and that. And he was supposed to give me 5 to 10 minutes in the president, but I'm thankful to him, and he really was blessed with his presence in Indore. Because of you people, he was here. I was lucky. Tomorrow is his birthday, by the way. Tomorrow is 9th, and tomorrow is birthday of Kevles Hafsan as well. That I would like always to mention. Who is the 5th of September, so I must stop.
Pre-birthday celebration will be done.
Oh yeah, we will be doing that. I'll be ordering it. We go ahead with the challenges, the possibilities, review of the related literature. It is an interesting task for exploring literary text for teaching of English in need, but there are difficulties in teaching English in the second language, and we have to persons who speak their native language. It is always difficult for people. Yes, next. Go ahead. So well, I will be with less elaborations. I don't know what I am saying, but I am saying whatever I studied in all these 11 years.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
So nice. Adopting English. It was British rule in India when Macaulay, I was talking about 1935, when Macaulay proposed to introduce English language as a medium of instruction at all levels of education. So it continued, then it stopped after the independence, it was stopped, English was not honored, then again they realized no, English is needed, then things were there. Okay. Fourth is English's presence. The study facility is not accessible to the students. It was found that providence of study material was short, an area of the study material is available commercially in the market, but those are not beneficial for all the students. Even sometimes the teacher even are not beneficial for the students. The teachers, some of the teachers, they are not working hard, means they are ready to give the homework, but they are not doing any homework. So over there the situation was, as I said, apparent in that case also. So well and good, but there are authorities who, because of whom it is English is surviving. You people. Definitely. LSRW and W. In my research I wrote that, but in the title I did not dare to write W, the extra W. But I elaborated that W watching, that is listening, speaking, reading, writing, watching. Okay. So listening is there. I already spoke about it, and speaking and reading and writing and watching. Okay. So, listening, I always say listen actively. Everyone wants to become Tansen, but no one wants to become Tansen. हाँ, तानसेन बनोगे तभी अच्छे तानसेन बनोगे, ये मेरा मानना है। थोड़ी सी हिंदी चलने दूँ अगर आपकी अनुमति हो, ये क्योंकि अगला PhD हिंदी का ही है ना। अच्छा बहुत सारा ज्ञान मुझे बीच बीच में ज्ञान प्रकाश जी से मिल गया, तो मैं उनको भी प्रणाम करता हूँ। 19 दिसंबर को मुझे सारी तारीखें याद आ रही, 23 मार्च से लेकर 9 जनवरी से बहरहाल लर्निंग ओरली इज द मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन फॉर स्पीकिंग बाय यूजिंग numerous parts of body like vocal lines, tongue, lips, vocal tract, and lungs. We make sound. See, a singer go for riyaz 30 hours and sing for 3 minutes, and then he get the clapping. Right? You have to speak every now and then, but you are not doing for any riyaz. So उसका भी रियाज लगता है। और आई ऑलवेज से मेरी 2 पंक्तियाँ हैं कि जीना चाहते हो जो आज में, तो कमी मत रखो रियाज में। ये रियाज ही है। मैं अगर कुछ पढ़ के आपके सामने बोल पा रहा हूँ तो ये रियाजत का ही परिणाम है। और हो सकता है मैं उतना अधिकार से नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे मन में बहुत सारे उद्गार हैं और इतना सारा समुद्र लहरें खड़ा है, लेकिन समय की सीमा है, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा संक्षिप्त करूँ। फिर if you want questions in reading, well, in reading diverse strategies are adopted where students are ought to know the most appropriate procedure required by the contents or by their teacher. Reading, I always say, हम रीडिंग तो बहुत स्पीड में कर लेते हैं कि कॉम्प्रीहेंशन नहीं होता है, तो रीडिंग विदाउट कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, beating about the bush. So what you need to do? Read once, twice, thrice, go to dictionary, do this, do that, and try to just guesswork is also a help, and then you will be definitely become someone who can teach properly. So teaching is there. Writing instead of speaking, we utilize our dialogue expertise by using our hands and our minds to compose a thought, information, idea, or message. I tell you, जब आपको कुछ याद नहीं हो तो ये राइटिंग इतनी काम करती है। कई गायकों ने जब मुझसे पूछा, क्योंकि मेरा वो भी क्षेत्र है, कि हमको लिरिक्स याद नहीं होती सर। मैंने बोला तुम लिरिक्स आगे पीछे गा देते हो वहाँ स्टैंड में, लिरिक स्टैंड पर होने के बावजूद। बोले सर कोई फार्मूला बता दो, और मैंने जो फार्मूले शेयर किए उनको पसंद आए, और आज की तारीख में वो कागज बिल्कुल लेके नहीं आए। बोला 3 गाने गाओ, 5 गाने की जरूरत नहीं है, 3 अथॉरिटेटिव, क्योंकि थ्रो नहीं आएगा। वैसे हमारे बोलने में थ्रो नहीं आएगा, तो हम शब्दों के साथ जुड़ेंगे नहीं, उनसे राब्ता नहीं होगा। मैंने बोला कुछ नहीं करना है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कितनी पोइम्स हो, कितनी शायरियाँ। मुझे जब शुरू में कोर्स वर्क कर रहा था तो आदरणीय बहन जी मुझे मिल गई, आई एम सॉरी, उषा जैन मैडम मिल गई मुझे, लेट मी से शी इज़ माई कज़न। तो ये मिल गई और इन्होंने बोला नहीं मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी, और बड़ा चमकाया, इन्होंने बहुत चमकाया। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वो कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स था, वो पुणे में खड़े हो गए, तब मैंने कुछ पंक्तियाँ जो थी वो मुझे आज भी याद है। वो पंक्तियाँ मैंने मैडम के सामने बोली और मैडम को पसंद आ गई, और शायद उसी का परिणाम दिख रहा है मुझे, मैं आज यहाँ भी हूँ अच्छे स्थान पर। मैं सुनाना चाहूँगा। जब टूटने लगे हौसले तो ये याद रखना, जब टूटने लगे हौसले तो ये याद रखना, बिना मेहनत हासिल ताज नहीं होता। ढूंढ लेता है अंधेरों में मंजिल अपनी, जुगनू कभी भी रोशनी का मोहताज नहीं। एंड आई टेल यू, बहुत अच्छी बात है, थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे मालूम मेरी इंग्लिश पे तो तालियां मिल नहीं सकती है क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी है।
इंग्लिश वाइवा में मंच का असर है।
मैडम को इतनी पसंद आई कि मैंने उसकी प्रिंट्स निकलवा के सारे स्टूडेंट्स में वितरित कर दी, और मैंने ये संदेश उन तक पहुँचाया कि आप भी PhD कर सकते हैं, बशर्ते इन पंक्तियों पे मैंने की। तो मैंने पहले बहुत लोगों ने कर दिया क्योंकि अच्छा हुआ, तो फिर चाहत और बढ़ गई है। तो मैंने वो पंक्तियाँ सब तक पहुँचाई और सब लोगों ने उसको बड़ा अप्रिशिएट किया। और नेक्स्ट वॉचिंग वाला पार्ट हो गया, आप वॉच कर ही रहे हैं, मुझे देख रहे हैं, तो अगला बढ़ाते हैं सर के आदेश। मैंने तय कर लिया, और मैंने बता दूं आपको कि जब से चला हूं मैं मंजिल पे मेरी नज़र है, इन आँखों ने कभी मील का पत्थर नहीं दिया। पीएचडी करते करते 24 तीर्थंकर याद आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि 24 तीर्थंकर मतलब 24 स्टेप्स के बाद पीएचडी मिलती है। आज लग रहा है मुझे कि मैं 24वें स्थान पर है। तरह तरह से मतलब इधर से उधर से आपका ग्रिलिंग भी होता है, लेकिन आपका ड्रिलिंग कायम रहना चाहिए, तो ग्रिलिंग भारी नहीं पड़ता। प्लीज use of literature in language teaching. Many experts have reassured the role of literature in the classroom of ELT effective stimuli and rich linguistic input is provided to the students' expression in the other language. Use of minimized utterances and ellipses in conversation. We avoid repetition and use the words economically in the language. One way which we follow to ignore couple of words in sentences is ellipsis. ये सब बातों पे मैं बात खास करने वाला हूँ। इसमें तो जो लिखा है वही मैं बोलने वाला हूँ, इसलिए आपने समझ लीजिए। डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर Z.N. पाटिल, डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर दोनों बोल रहा हूँ। मैंने उनसे पूछा था मैं क्या लिखूँ, बोले आपको मर्जी हो वो लिख देना, तो मैंने और लिख कर दिया। मैं डॉक्टर भी बोलूँगा, प्रोफेसर भी बोलूँगा। सबसे पहला प्रश्न था मेरा कि क्या रॉट लर्निंग इज इट ओके इफ यू गो फॉर रोट लर्निंग? He said, no problem, because by rote learning you get the ability, and every person who is with the applicability should have the ability. So without ability you cannot go for applicability. So rote learning is not a problem. If you want to know the details, you go ahead later on, but once you speak something, you know, it should be memorized. I remember the physics which I used to read. I got good marks only because I had that with me, rote learning. Every particle of the matter attracts every other particle with the force which is directly proportional to the mass inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So that was all rote learning, and he was very happy. I just mentioned that. Here, there means in all directions. Next is he is none other than Param Pujya Professor Z.N. Patil, जिनका भी कल जन्मदिन। द्रोणाचार्य, ओके, ही इज द्रोणाचार्य। वेल, ये द्रोणाचार्य हैं और अमीन सायनी साहब भी द्रोणाचार्य, और मैं एकलव्य हूँ। हाँ, क्योंकि द्रोणाचार्य ने एक बार अमीन साहब का एक पत्र आया मेरे पास कि वाई यू राइट रंजन सर, and I wrote a letter and he phoned me, and after that he always used to call me Ranjan sir. मैंने बोला साहब एकलव्य से अंगूठा मांगा, द्रोणाचार्य ने अंगूठा दे दिया, आपने सर मांगा, मैंने सर दे दिया।
सर आपके साथ भी है?
नहीं, अभी मैं कर रहा है।
इनका वीडियो देखा?
हाँ, इनका वीडियो आ गया सर। अभी एक छोटा वीडियो आ रहा है, बाद में यूनिकॉर्न वाला एक वीडियो आएगा। थोड़ा सा इसको चला के कैसे चलेगा? इन एक्शन। नो, चलो ठीक है, इसको वॉइस तो ले लो, स्पीकर नहीं, ओके, तो फिर इसको स्लाइड से मैंने इसमें खैर उनकी आवाज़ भी डाली थी। हमको कम्युनिकेशन के लिए जो 7 स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं वो अमीन साहब ने
इनकी आवाज़ में आप सुना दीजिए।
मैं वही करने जा रहा था, बट आई विल कट इट शॉर्ट। ये अच्छा बताया।
वीडियो होगा
सॉरी, वीडियो गो टू दिस नेक्स्ट। उनकी आवाज़ में चाहते हैं
हम स्पीकर बंद है तो क्या करें?
भाई संचार के लिए, संप्रेषण के लिए अगर कुछ शब्द होते हैं तो 7 शब्द हैं, स से आते हैं, और आपका एक स्थापित रूप में संवाद किसी से हो सके तो बहनों भाइयों, पहला स है संचार, दैट इज कम्युनिकेशन, तो उस पर आपको हमेशा ध्यान देना है। दूसरा है सत्य। आप ये सोचें कि लोगों को क्या मालूम, हम झूठ का सहारा ले सकते हैं मगर ऐसा होगा नहीं। लोग समझदार हैं, हमको अपनी ऑडियंस का हमेशा सम्मान करना चाहिए और उनको अंडरस्टैंड कभी भी नहीं करना चाहिए। इसलिए सत्य ही बोले, कम बोले मगर सत्य बोले। सरल होना चाहिए, भाषा में बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं होगा। अगर कंपलसरी से काम चलता है तो मैंडेटरी यूज़ करने की जरूरत नहीं। मीन्स जहाँ आसान बना सकते हैं उससे ऑडियंस आपके करीब आएगी हमेशा। स्पष्ट, कई बार उच्चारणों को लेके लोगों के बड़ी उलझने होती है, वो बोलना क्या चाहते हैं, बोल क्या जाते हैं, और फिर उसका मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन हो जाता है। फिर वो कोसते हैं दूसरों को लेकर, ऐसा नहीं, आपका स्पष्ट बोलना नहीं होगा तो बात बन नहीं पाएगी, आपका कनेक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा। एंड सब, ये पूरा हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ, क्योंकि सब आपके शब्दों में वर्ड शुड नॉट बी फ्रीली और अनएक्सेप्टेबल और ऑब्सीन, ऐसे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल आप कभी मत कीजिए। फिर वही बात है, कम बोलिए मगर लोगों तक सही संदेश आपका जाए। उतना ही खोदो जिससे पानी निकल आए, सुना है बहुत गहरे में आग होती है, इसलिए अवॉइड करें प्लीज। सुंदर, देखिए सुंदरता तो हमेशा से दाढ़ी बना के नहीं आएगी तो सुंदर होता है, स्वाभाविक होना चाहिए। आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होना चाहिए, आप बताना कुछ और चाह रहे हैं, बोल कुछ और रहे हैं और समझ में कुछ और आ रहा है, तो ये सब गड़बड़ है। कम बोले, वही बात है, स्पॉन्टेनिटी, फास्ट। ओके, ड्रामा, पोएट्री, prose, short stories. Okay, I'll talk about the short stories. अभी ये सब बता चुका हूँ, इसलिए अपनी आगे जाएंगे। अगर वो वीडियो चल जाता है तो अच्छी बात है। यूनिकॉर्न इन द गार्डन, नो, ओके, वो वीडियो शायद नहीं डिस्प्ले पे आ रहा है, क्योंकि यूनिकॉर्न इन द गार्डन की स्टोरी पूरी सर ने हमको सुनाई थी और वो पूरी रिकॉर्डेड थी। अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ स्नैग है, आई एम सॉरी,
Some other time.
yeah, some other time, right. I'll send you the video of it.
Yes, sir.
I'll
That's really nice.
Okay. This, I mean, how I have learned all the lessons. Again, to facilitate the students, I have done this in my, and this should be the approach. Lesson plans should be made in such a way that they should enjoy. The students must enjoy. And literature definitely is there. Literature is there. And I always say. So when I asked, after rote learning, I asked, should we consult the dictionary? He said no. Initially, don't consult the dictionary, go for guesswork. Then I said, how we should teach? He said, you cram the things, you learn the things, so you will be in a position to teach 70%. If you keep reading something and teaching, then 30% message will be going to the students. One more thing, oral drilling. He said, yes, oral drilling is a must in English speaking. You must do that. वो gaggles तो करना ही चाहिए. Anyways, fourth and fifth was literature. There is always a rivalry in literature and language. So he said no, that there is no rivalry. They are we can say made for each other. Right? They are inseparable. You cannot. And this is how it happened. Now this is what I did in 2005, and I am going to colleges, I am going to schools, and I am for a month's time, means every Thursday I am teaching how it will be played, and after 5th or 6th Thursday, we play this tambula. And this tambula, there are 8 versions I have made. These 8 versions are there. One version, I will talk about the version, how it works. Then I am about to conclude, sir. Please give me some more minutes. Please. Okay. Okay. The newspaper, they published this because they wanted the authenticity. So I just gave the people from the newspaper. They asked me, "Kaisa hota hai, kya hota hai? Why don't you attend one tambola?" And they came. One day they came to the tambola, and when I was playing tambola, the video is there, but unfortunately the video is not playing. So in that video, it is this is how I play, and there are gifts, because gifts for I just give the pictures of gift before they play, so they know कि ये हमको मिलना चाहिए. 5 सप्ताह 4 सप्ताह तक मैं सिखाता हूँ कैसे, and how it is played. Words I will just say it is what is there in the tambola is vocabulary, proverb, synonyms and antonyms, and quotations are there, idiomatic expressions are there, phobias, manias, English phrases, abbreviations, acronyms, and sobriquets. These all are there in it. So there are 90 expressions, and tambola ticket there are numbers. So I am corresponding number, there is an expression. Okay. When I find the number like 29 is in my hand, then I will say dogs. I'll give a keyword, and again there is a ball, and whoever is playing, their names are there. First their names, so there I am asking them to speak the whole expression. Then he speaks. Barking dog seldom bites. So गरजते हैं बस 29, right? When he is doing right thing, then there is the last ball, and in that ball there are chits. Prize and surprise. If the prize comes immediately, I give a prize to the person, and if it is surprise, I am sorry, it is an unpleasant surprise. I am not giving anything. Right? This way, as I said, I am showing the prizes initially before they start learning tambola. So every time they are thinking, I must be able. आप ये समझ लीजिए, तंबोला में शायद 10 या 12 गिफ्ट्स दी जाती है. मेरे तंबोला में 50 गिफ्ट दी, क्योंकि एक्सप्रेशंस अगर आपने बोले तो देन 50 जाती हैं. हालांकि वो थोड़ी सी सस्ती है. आगे कंक्लूजन भी कम टू द राइट. ओके,
अभी हम तंबोला खेल सकते हैं.
अभी खेल सकते हैं, बट मेरे को आना पड़ेगा ना. 4 सप्ताह की ट्रेनिंग है उसमें. देख लें आप. नो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, ओनली कंट्रीब्यूशन इज योर अटेंशन, और फिर हम जलपान करेंगे. हाँ, ऐसा मैं अभी सोच रहा हूँ, अभी एक बार ये PhD हाथ में आ जाए तो ये कॉलेजेस में आप युद्ध स्तर पर शुरू करें. नहीं, अभी हाथ में नहीं. मैंने जिनको भी मेरा मैसेज भेजा गया, सुराही के पास है. हाँ, पास है और पास की आस है, मगर अभी हाँ. चलिए हम कंक्लूजन पे आ गए. इसके पहले मैं बता दूं, रतन टाटा ने कहा था कि आई टेक रॉन्ग डिसीजंस और नॉट राइट डिसीजंस, बट आई प्रूव देम टू बी राइट. आई डिड द सेम लॉन्ग बैक. लॉन्ग बैक in 87 I quit New York, America when I was doing my business. I quit क्योंकि वो राकेश शर्मा को तो स्पेस में जाके पता चला. मुझे यही समझ में आ गया कि सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, और मैं लौट के समझदार घर को आया. उर्दू का है तो मैं समझदार हूँ, ठीक है. एंड आई हैव लॉट मेनी इनिशिएटिव आई टुक. जो लोग सफ़र अख्तियार करते हैं वही तो मंजिलों को पार करते हैं. बस एक बार चलने का हौसला होना चाहिए. ऐसे मुसाफिरों का रास्ते में इंतजार. So I thank you. Next is our conclusion is all written over here. You want me to read this?
No.
You got it. So here comes thanks in attendance to Dr. Rajesh Vishnu Leone, and PhD head of Department of English, CK. CK is Changu Khana. Changu Khana. I was asking what is Changu Khana? Changu Khana, Arts, Commerce and Science College. New Panvel, gold medalist in Avishkar Research Convention. So the gold medalist with us. So वही बात है. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई आज बुलाया मैंने, और भी मेरे विद्यार्थियों को था, लेकिन शायद वो मुझसे बहुत डरे. एक जैसे साथी सारे नहीं होते, कुछ हमारे होकर भी हमारे नहीं. लास्ट इसके बाद इसलिए जनगणमन पहले ही कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि जनगणमन के बाद में कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. मैं पता नहीं लंच करते हुए क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं.
जैसे गाइड कभी स्कॉलर का नहीं होता.
हाँ. एक जैसे साथी सारे नहीं होते, कुछ हमारे होकर भी हमारे नहीं होते. आपसे मिलकर ये महसूस हुआ है कि कौन कहता है कि ज़मीन पर तारे नहीं. मैं खास उल्लेख करना चाहूँगा मेरे 2 विद्यार्थियों का जो हमेशा मेरी मदद करते हैं और मुझसे भी ज़्यादा विद्वान हैं. एक वेंट्रोलॉकिस्ट है, एक पपेट से बातचीत करते हैं, और कॉमेडी शो कपिल वाला जो है उसकी तर्ज पे बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स इंदौर में करते हैं, इवेंट्स करते हैं, और कुछ इवेंट्स में मुझे भी माइकल आर के रूप में बुलाते हैं. ब्रजेश गुप्ता, ये शीघ्र ही रेस्पेक्टेड मेरिट मैन हो जाएंगे. बड़ी जिद करके मैंने फाइनल कर दिया, और कल ये मंदिर में थे. चलिए, बड़ी अच्छी खबर मिली कि इनकी धर्मपत्नी की और मेरी जन्म तारीख एक ही है. मेरी जन्म तारीख लोग पूछते हैं तो मैं बोलता हूँ यार याद हो जाएगी. बोले आप जैसे थोड़ी याद, मेरे को भी याद हो जाएगी. लड़की की क्या उम्र सबको अच्छी लगती है, लड़कियों को भी अच्छी लगती है. बताएं 16. वाह, देखो तो 16 बनेगा कैसे? 8 दूनी 16. तो 8th February is my birthday.
डेट मई को आएगा।
8 is fruitful. 8 के ठाठ है
ये
actually.
यवले साहब ने रखा है।
8 के ठाठ है. I always say.
Now I request Dr. Yavle sir to please begin this question answer session. Conduct this
Any
file.
participant? Speaking, reading and writing.
Sir.
4 basic skills. How you feel this Tombola will help us in future to improve English of the school students or college students of Indore? What is your idea or how you would like to implement this as an effective methodology or strategy to reach out to the masses, school students or college students, and contribute in skilling India or skill enhancement in future? What is your comment in this?
It's a great question, and it gives me pleasure to announce that next month I will be playing this Tombola in IPS Academy.
Very good.
And I convinced Achal Chaudhary ji and others, and when I gave them some videos where I am just playing Tombola with the people, then he said, "Itna sar kaun yaad karega?" मैंने बोला, I will be coming to the college. I can teach this Tombola every Thursday only in half an hour's time, but I will take 2 hours. In 2 hours, that 2 hours, I will be trying to motivate them to read, and other contests also I will be playing every Thursday, and they will be learning more. And small exams will be taken every Thursday. With that, they will be getting motivated, and every time I will be saying that these are the prizes, and sometimes the prizes are there on the display. Any of the Thursday, I will be taking all the prizes, and these are the prizes. Okay. So when मैं देखता हूँ महिला संगीत करता हूँ, तो मैं जो देखता हूँ मैं उसी को बता रहा हूँ सर। महिला संगीत जब करता हूँ तो करोड़पति भी हाथ उठाता है ऊपर, उसके लिए वो प्राइस बहुत मायने नहीं रखता, मगर उसको अपना अपीयरेंस और उसका अपना स्थान बनाने की इच्छा होती है। तो मैं पूछता हूँ कि भाई नई दिल्ली से पहले जो राजधानी थी भारत की 1911 के पहले, वो क्या थी? तो कई हाथ ऊपर उठते हैं, कई लोग गलत बताते हैं, बट वो जो आदमी करोड़पति है वो भी बताता है कि साहब कोलकाता राइट। तो ही इज़ नॉट आफ्टर दैट गिफ्ट, बट वो उसका रिकग्निशन हो, उसको जाने दो राइट। कहीं ना कहीं बार बार वही बात कहूँगा, एक तो चीज़ों को कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बनाना पड़ेगा मुझे, मेरी जिम्मेदारी बड़ी है सर। और मैंने कहा कि वंस आई गेट दिस देन अथॉरिटेटिवली आई विल बी गेटिंग द एंट्री। अभी क्या होता है, एंड ही सेड कि आई विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग यू ब्रजेश पंडे, ही सेड कि आप डायरेक्ट में जाया करो सर, झांकी बिगड़ती है इससे। ये वो हमारे भदौरिया जी ये जिद करने लगे कि अब आप नहीं जाओगे, आप तो एज एन अथॉरिटी जाओगे, हम दोनों एस्कॉर्ट करेंगे राइट। उससे क्या होगा कि एक साइकोलॉजी बनी। दुनिया में दो चीज़ें, एक तो लॉजिकल है जो चल रही है और एक साइकोलॉजिकल। तो ये साइकोलॉजिकल से ही आदमी ग्रोथ उसकी साइकोलॉजिकल जो है अटेम्प्ट से होती है। तो मुझे लगता है सर कि मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि वो स्किल जो 5वीं मैंने डाली, आई शो सम फिल्म्स, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, अभी ऑडियो बुक्स आ रही हैं, अभी इंग्लिश सीखने के साधन 50 हैं, लेकिन पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर। चंदा मामा है तो उस पर स्टोरी पूरी एलॉबरेटेड है, उसमें आपका टेंस भी बता रहा है, ये भी बता रहा है। तो ग्रामर पे हमको जाना जरूर है, लेकिन बाद में पहले हमको सरफेस पे जाना है, इंग्लिश के करीब आ जाए। व्याकरण हमने बाद में सीखा, पहले बोलना सीखा, मम्मी पापा काका काकी ये सब हमने और बतियाना सीखा, उसके बाद ही हमने ग्रामर या व्याकरण सीखा। तो हमको ये अप्रोच हमारी बनानी पड़ेगी, ग्रामर पे जाना जरूर चाहिए। बट
You can prepare a mobile application for Tombola.
सर
Mobile app.
he is engineer by profession, he will help me. My daughter will help me, she is senior software engineer in Bengaluru.
Because nowadays everything is digital, it is
Yeah.
easier to access.
Oh yeah, creative idea.
आधे कॉपीराइट मेरे।
Oh राइट आप रख लेना, लेफ्ट कर लेना।
Middle is right.
Yes sir, yes sir.
आज तो सारी सुराहियाँ तोड़ दिया।
नहीं मैं
पानी अब आया आपके
हाँ,
पास।
मुझे मालूम है मैं प्यासा नहीं सकता, मुझे मालूम है। I'm sorry,
Yes,
मैं
next
थोड़ी
question, sir.
बदलिहाजी कर गया हूँ, तो उसके लिए मैं क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ।
one more observation. What challenges did you face while getting the questionnaire filled? Because there is a lot of questionnaire in your thesis. All right. Questionnaire for story, questionnaire for say Hamlet or Othello, or the unicorn, the garden you were saying. So some questionnaires you have filled. So was it easy or was it difficult to get it filled?
It was not difficult because my modus operandi was different. It was, I tell you honestly, it was not difficult for me. Whenever I used to go to college, I spent money for that. What I did, आप क्वेश्चनर देते हैं, बोलते हैं आप भर के बता दीजिए, ये कर दीजिए, बच्चे का दिमाग ही नहीं चलता है. I was giving all the questionnaires to the students के घर ले जाओ. अभी जो पढ़ाया ज्ञान बांटा कितना समझ में आया, आप अपने हिसाब से इसमें जवाब लिखें, write the answers and stamped envelopes with my address. Stamped envelope with my address I was handing over to them, and you just send your. I was taking the mobile number, I was forming the groups. Everywhere I was going. Not many groups are there. And what the thing was, I was just making follow up कि भैया वो जवाब भेज दो यार. Then I was.
That task becomes easier.
That way. वो अच्छा पर जवाब बहुत अच्छे मिले. क्यों मिले? क्योंकि उनको समय मिला. वो अभी उलझे हुए हैं, उन पे व्हाट्सएप आ रहे हैं कि जल्दी आ जाएगा, कहाँ फंसा हुआ है वहाँ पे. तो वो आपको क्या जवाब देगा? बट व्हेन यू डू फॉलो देन फिर मैंने उसमें भी एक काम किया कि देयर विल बी ए लॉटरी. जितने भी रिस्पॉन्डेंट्स हैं उनके लिए एक लॉटरी होगी और उसमें भाई हम पे भरोसा करना पड़ेगा. देयर विल बी ए कमिटी और उन जो 50 स्टूडेंट उस दिन थे उसमें से 3 लोगों को प्राइजेस दूंगा मैं जो मुझे जवाब भेजेंगे. जवाब भेजेंगे. आई टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, मुझे 80 सर को बताया मैंने क्वेश्चनर्स कैसे आए, बढ़िया जवाब. अरे कलरफुल पेन से यूँ जमा के हैंडराइटिंग का सारा प्राइज मुझे मिल जाए और हैंडराइटिंग से प्राइज मिलते हैं. खैर उस कमेटी के ये भी थे जब हम लॉटरी करते थे तो सर भी उसमें सर ही रहते थे. वैसे देखा जाए उसको मैं मैसेज करता था, भैया मैं देने आऊँ कि तुम आ रहे हो, जलपान भी करूँगा साथ में. तो जलपान के चक्कर में
he has been conducting debate competition in English, which has contributed to the thesis. I have always been a judge.
Very nice.
That I am doing, sir. मैं music
So debate is also helping us to develop their speaking skill.
Yeah.
Confidence.
debate के अलावा म्यूजिक कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी करते हैं. हाँ सर.
Very
So
good.
that will help.
Now from audience.
हाँ अरे और
Please go ahead.
सर आप
No, it's fine.
नहीं अब मेरे देखिए क्या हुआ है कि अब मेरी घबराहट खत्म है. आप तो कोई कुछ भी पूछ लो. हाँ अब तो कोई कुछ भी पूछ लो.
But you are the judge here in this matter.
I will do the last sentence.
Are you happy?
Now, session is open for discussion.
Discussion and then I go on.
Yes.
Questions from the audience.
Audience.
Yes.
It can be in Hindi, no problem. Or you can speak English, no problem.
Now drilling is over, grilling is started.
Yes, I am ready for. गर्मी इतनी है वैसे ग्रिलिंग हो रहा है.
Respected forum of the intellectuals,
Yes.
honorable presenter of today. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt and heartfelt gratitude to you for enhancing my intellectual capital in the realm of English language teaching. And we all will agree that language learning, particularly English, is a bigger pandemic than COVID-19 in India. And we are trying to find the immunity or the booster doses for that, and this can be one of them. So this was my gratitude, but I have one concern, or we can call it concern, threat or challenge. As rightly pointed out by respected sir, that on July 29, 2020, National Education Policy was introduced by the Government of India. And in that policy they have clearly mentioned that now they would be focusing on 3 language formula, whereby they will tell that mother tongue is the most important language. Now, if mother tongue becomes the most important language, and till now English has taken a very prestigious position. हर मम्मा का एक ही सपना, मेरा बच्चा मुंह खोले तो अंग्रेजी में बोले. And that was the sentiment of the parent in that case. If that sentiment will not survive due to this NEP, so what would be the future of English language teaching? How English would be taken in future if mother tongue takes that prestigious position in place of English?
He
So this was my.
I know his answer and no quotation. Sure, that is
That is what I was going to say. Very nice. भाई एक जुमला मैंने लिखा था आज से 20 साल पहले जो बड़ा लोकप्रिय है इंदौर शहर में, और अंग्रेजी की कई क्लासेस उसको लिखती है विदाउट माई परमिशन, लेकिन मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोलता हूँ क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ कि अंग्रेजी फले फूले, राइट। हिंदी तो शिरोधार्य है मगर अंग्रेजी भी अनिवार्य है। दैट इज़ माई जुमला। आपका जो कंसर्न है, मुझे लगता है इंग्लिश के बगैर तो गुजारा होगा नहीं, क्योंकि हम अगर हमारे देश में हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा इस्तेमाल करें तो हमारे नाते टूट जाएंगे लोगों से। थोड़ा हिंदी चला। Unfortunately, in India, the national language is Hindi, but the bridge language is English. So English will have to continue anyways. So कोई उसको threat नहीं है, कोई खतरा नहीं है। English.
Now next question, please.
क्या? Next question.
Next question.
हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हैं, अंग्रेजी में भी। मैं भी वहाँ बैठता हूँ तो मुझे मालूम है।
Preferably in English. Huh? Yes. Video recording.
The presenters. I just wanted to extend that LSRW you stressed upon and you introduced one more W. But then what about if, as Wordsworth had said, that you have to have a receiving heart. So first of all, how are you going to motivate the children to bring that receiving heart to teach all the skills of languages? So class
Very
sessions.
want to
Please
be something
introduce yourself.
complicated.
Introduce yourself, Sita.
I'm Mrs. Sita Jaiswal and Ma'am Dr. Garima Chabra's research student.
Where are you working?
I'm working at NDPS, that's near the Government Public School, as a coordinator.
Good question, very good question. Can you tell me once again what is UBC?
Yeah, you stressed upon SLRW, and one more W is what she introduced. So I suppose, all this teaching at school is all right, but what if, how to motivate children first of all, because we want a receiving heart, the children are supposed to receive everything you teach. So how do you motivate children to do that first?
LSRWW is Samudra. It is a sea, it's an ocean, right? Ocean पे कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं हम, right? It is difficult. So steps, one by one. First, you must know what your target audience is, what is their level. When I was vice principal in the school, I always used to say to the teachers that don't teach students in July and August. कोर्स पूरा नहीं होगा, ऊपर से ये होगा, मैंने बोला forget about that. Different, okay? You preach initially, प्यासा बना दो. हार्ट पर ना कैसे नहीं, प्यासा बना दो उनको बता दो, थोड़ा सा भय भी डाल दो, राइट? आपके भीतर अगर नदी होगी तो ही तो समंदर से दोस्ती होगी. You cannot reach to this LSRWW, that ocean, that sea. So rivulets and rivers and this and that. So you have to make it. It is your responsibility as a teacher. And time and again I would like to say, need to make things comprehensive, step by step. किसी एक आदमी बहुत अच्छा, मैं बोलता हूँ, चलिए 500 लोगों के बीच में बोला तालियां ही तालियां मिली, और दूसरे 500 के बीच में बोले गालियां ही गालियां मिली, तो हुआ क्या? Because I could not read my target audience, and I was talking like I was talking with those 500, then I got the credits. So, receiving heart बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? आगे.
Next question.
Next question. Why not? So you know all that. You already asked me.
I would
Why
like
did
to
this?
say something. Your enthusiasm at this point of time, I mean, we were just discussing कि probably you are senior to most of us sitting over here, is unbeatable.
I tell you, आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद बना रहा, तो मेरे गुरुजी ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिया, मेरे दूसरे गुरु जो हमारे मित्र के धर्मपत्नी निकले, डिस्कवरी हुई अभी 4 दिन पहले, राइट? वो कैसे डिस्कवरी हुई कि उन्होंने बोला कि भाई आप बिल्कुल नहीं जानते हो, मैं आपको जानता हूँ. कैसे वो अनूप जलोटा आए हुए थे इंदौर में और एंकर गायब हो गया, एंकर भयंकर बन गया. तो मुझे कहा गया, उनके दोस्त ने बोला अनिल साहब कि सर मोर्चा संभाल लो. मैंने बोला हो, फंसोगे नहीं तो दिल में फंसोगे नहीं, अपना तो टेल यू वो मेरा एसोसिएशन जो अनूप जलोटा से उस वक्त हुआ, 5 लाख रुपए वो लेते थे, उन्होंने बोला आपके लिए 3 लाख ही दूंगा। ये अनूप जलोटा के वर्ड्स हैं, हालांकि मेरे कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, कभी भी नहीं पड़ी, बट आई टेल यू एसोसिएशन आपके बोलने से, आपके प्रेजेंटेशन से हो। हाँ, आप जो बोल रहे थे एंथुसियाज्म की बात, वो 64 साल का हो गया हूँ मैं, अब ज़्यादा जीना नहीं, 37 साल और जी ले तो 101 पूरा हो जाएगा। मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ अच्छा सोचने में बुरा कहने में, बुरा सोचने में अच्छा कहना।
Sir, can I ask you?
या
Yes, sure.
डेविस मार्च की जय हो। ये माहौल रोशन हो गया।
मैंने आपका सारा प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ध्यान से सुना, लिसन टू योर प्रेजेंटेशन,
Actually,
and it looked like a radio program of 70s and 80s when I used to present on All India Radio and other radios, and we would have some lottery and some kind of gifts that would be given after the program was done. Exactly आपने वो use करा है. What about the new methodologies and technologies used in English language teaching? आपने उसका कहीं भी mention नहीं करा.
I'm sorry.
What about the new technologies that are used in teaching English? You have not mentioned anything of that.
There are a lot of web applications.
Like web series, O2, and many technologies.
Digital
Blog
tools
hai,
for
podcast
So I
hai.
mentioned some of the things like on YouTube you can go, audiobooks are there.
That's all. That's completely old.
No. That is again.
Today the modern technology is fifth classes. You have not mentioned nothing of that in your PhD. So what about those?
No. What my approach is.
I think you have written all those things in your thesis.
I have written
Digital tools.
digital tools.
But you have not mentioned them.
Oh, I have not mentioned over here.
You were mentioning about Nambola, Stanford, way back when we used to present radio
There are
programs.
several applications available, but sometimes people are reluctant to take the applications because it occupies a lot of MB. That is what my students say. कि सर उसमें बहुत सारा MB चला जाता है, तो आप कुछ रेडीमेड बता दो. Means people are looking for, they are buying good mobile for other purposes, but when it comes to the application, not many application, even one application I am going to form as Sir said. So that application, ये जो practical कुछ परेशानियाँ हैं वो बताएंगे. Applications are there, and in those applications you can learn English. Lot many communication skills are given. Even in some cases, you are the one who speak something and the other person. So dialogue is the other person is speaking and you are, and it is recorded and you can check it out. Right. So digitally we can go for that. But I think that is the advanced stage. People are not so conversant with the English.
Yes, it's true that there's a revolution nowadays in language teaching, in the field of language learning, language teaching, as far as software engineering, AI, digital technologies, that we partner with them. And he has touched upon those things. But in his question and other things, he was focusing more on the pedagogy, traditional pedagogy. Now this is the time that I must invite an external examiner to speak a few words before us, before I tender the vote of thanks. Please stand, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's lunchtime, correct? Anyway, good afternoon, everybody. I'm very happy and pleased to be here in this Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore University. I have been an external referee for this PhD Viva was today physically, or we call it as traditional mode, and I'm so happy to be a part of this Viva Oversee of Mr. Arvind Jain. About the researcher or a PhD scholar, I must say a few things, because usually we begin the research at a very young age, say at the age of 30, 35 or at the age of 40. Even I started my PhD at the age of let's say 40 or 45, and we are so happy to see a researcher who is having that passion, the enthusiasm and the zeal to reach to the destination in spite of the barriers, in spite of the difficulties and the troubles, and I'm so happy that you have completed your task so effectively, so meticulously, with all the required parameters which are needed in the thesis, and proved that you are eligible to be called as Dr. Arvind in days to come with your happened today in this university campus of Delhi Alya Vishwavidyalaya today. So very good that, and you have been an inspiration to the young scholars also, because we need to continue our mission, our ambition and our destination in spite of the challenges and the difficulties which we are facing in the pursuit of completing our research or our PhD work or the drafting of the thesis. So congratulations to you. Now about the thesis of Dr. Arvind Jain. There are total 5 chapters. The title of the thesis is An Empirical and Analytical Approach to the Study of Exploring Literary Texts for Teaching English Language. This is the title of the thesis. The 5 chapters have been drafted very systematically and under the dynamic guidance of Professor Dr. Ashok Sachadeva. And he has, chapter 1 is introductory. He has also used various methods like questionnaires, interviews, and very systematically analyze the research problems as well as the hypothesis. And the very important task is, which is haunting to all the English teachers, not only in India but across the globe: English first, literature first, or language first. This is a dilemma right from our childhood days. We all are experiencing now also as a teacher, whether we should learn language first or we should learn literature first. But as we all are in teaching fraternity or in teaching academia, it's like Indian dollar or American dollar. Indian dollar, American dollar, these all are metaphors. Coin has 2 sides. Similarly, English has 2 sides. One side language, one side literature. We have to balance both. We need to have a golden balance and ensure that our students are developed with good skills. And the researcher has tried to develop 4 basic skills in the personality of the student, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. And he has already said that he wanted to focus more on watching, but he cannot call it as a next skill because of certain technical difficulties. So watching is also equally important, because we learn a lot of things. Body language is also a part of watching. So watching has to be developed, which he has already highlighted in the development of the thesis. Then chapter 3 beautifully elaborates how to use literature to teach English language skills, and there is a fantastic reference to Shakespeare's Othello, as well as there is a reference to Hamlet also, Shakespeare's Hamlet. And then there are 2 very systematic interviews, that is with Professor Dr. Jayant Patil. I acknowledge that Dr. Jayant Patil happens to be my teacher. He has taught me in the University of Pune when I was doing a master's program in the academic year 1992-93. So it was a great, I was so happy when I was reading his interview in the thesis of Mr. Arvind Jain. See the coincidence, my teacher's interview has come for evaluation in one of the theses. I was so happy. This is the legacy of the teachers or the teaching field which we have in our country, which we need to cherish in days to come. So 2 interviews, that is with Dr. Jayant Patil as well as Amin Saniji. Very importantly, he has referred also in his oral presentation. And then the stories, how we can teach language through stories, through novels, through plays, alright, and through certain activities, that is called Kambola. Then he had systematically done all the references also, bibliography, and then literature review is also done very systematically. And today we had a physical viva, traditional mode. He has answered all the questions raised by the participants, the research scholars, as well as the teachers. And I'm so happy that this viva is being attended by Honorable Professor Gyan Prakash, who is the HOD of this comparative languages, senior professors from various departments, PhD scholars. And I'm very happy to announce that after the successful defending of this viva voce, the candidate, Mr. Arvind Jain, to be awarded PhD degree in English, alright, for defending the Viva very successfully. So hearty congratulations to the guide, Professor Dr. Ashok Sachadeva, for mentoring him, alright, till the award of the degree, PhD, that is the highest degree in our higher education system. So we would like to congratulate him by offering a bouquet also. So congratulations to you for your successful defending of this oversee of the PhD. We will congratulate the guide also. Please come, sir. Congratulations to you. And I also express my thankfulness and gratefulness for inviting me to be a part of your university and conduct this physical viva in a traditional mode of Mr. Arvind Jain. Thank you one and all.
This is a new feature, sir. And our candidate is Manch ke vyakti hai. He is the man of the stage. For him, we had to appoint the examiner. University had to appoint the examiner who is also the professor of the stage, and he conducts international conferences in the University of Mumbai. He's always comparing, he's always conducting, and he's heading the
And he
department.
beautifully recites soliloquies of Shakespeare.
And
Yes.
in one online conference, he was reciting Shakespeare's poetry in a wonderful manner, and which we have the video
Like to
recording.
hear, to be or not to be, please.
Yes.
Please, please.
हाँ हाँ
Like to
बिल्कुल
hear.
पहुँच गए मैडम आप भी
सर को
आइए।
भी सुने ना हम।
पाटिल साहब
बोलिए ना, ना, ना। It will be very nice.
Just a couple of them.
इसको जरूर रिकॉर्ड करो हाँ।
एक मिनट पिक्चर
Yes, sir. To be or not to be?
No, not to be or not to be. I will have something else. Shakespeare all the time believed in iambic meter. Sir is also talking about melody, rhythm, rhyme, and Shakespeare uses iambic meter so effectively, so systematically, and so convincingly that his lines, his stanzas, or his verses are all the time echoing in our mind, soul, and heart for centuries and years to come. I would like to just say, one quote or one soliloquy or one dialogue of Macbeth. Okay? Tomorrow, out-of-breath candle. Life is but a walking shadow. Mine, a poor player that struts and frets. It's a tale told by an idiot, full of storm and fury, signifying nothing. So there are many such soliloquies where we can have a lot of dramatization.
He did this.
You are again here.
He did this for 1 hour.
And we had a freeze
Okay. So
The vote of thanks, I express my profound sense of gratefulness and thankfulness to Dr. Rajesh Vishnu Yavle, who came all the way from Mumbai to conduct the viva of Mr. Arvind Jain. Sir's introduction, his profile is very rich. We didn't have much time to speak about him, but he is a well-known professor in Mumbai. And I also express my sense of thankfulness to Dr. Gyan Prakash sir, Mukesh Bhargav, and to the department faculty members, and to the senior professors who have taken special pains and they have helped us Toshi, Manisha, Dr. Usha Jain, Dr. Rayman, Dr. Roshan, that today they have graced the occasion, this viva, and have embraced it. And to all my dear students, scholars, who PhD scholars and students of MA who came, and my 2 scholars who came from Barwani, Dhamnuts and what were in this one. So I conclude this, and I personally congratulate Dr. Arvind Jain now. Now I request
Doctor, How are you feeling now?
I request
आपका सपना अपना
the senior professors, all of you, and you in the front row, to please join us for the lunch along with us. And Mukesh Bhargav and Gyan Prakash sir, Malvi sir, Tarun.
But before
Please
that,
join us
one
for
photo with Dr.
photograph.
Arvind.
One group.
Photo is our photo. Yes.
all are requested to watch with me. इससे पहले कि हम यहाँ जमे एक शायरी सुन लें आप हाँ जमे सकते हैं
Teacher of Dr. Yavale here in this department. Chances are there.
Ready to come.
Thank you so much.
बिफोर आई कंक्लूड प्लीज सुन ले मेरी बात सर ये आपको बता दूं मैं जानकारी मुझे इस पूरे काल में 600 से ज़्यादा दिन मिली मैं आशीर्वाद लेता रहा और तरह तरह से मुझे बोलते रहे कि हमारी थीसिस बने तो मुकम्मल बननी चाहिए अनप्रेसिडेंटेड होनी चाहिए अभूतपूर्व होना चाहिए मुझे लग रहा है मैंने भी कई PhD के वाइवास अटेंड किए हैं कुछ अभूतपूर्व हुआ है बहन हमारी ये जो है ये भी हमको बड़ा मोटिवेट करती रही कभी चमकाती भी रही राइट हाँ जरूर ये चमक का ही असर
बड़े
देखें
बड़े भाई हैं पर
तो एक बात याद रखिए जिंदगी में 100 अच्छी बातें होती है और 12-15 गड़बड़ होती है हमारा दुर्भाग्य ये है कि हम 100 में से 2 को भी हाथ नहीं लगाते और 12-15 को प्रातः स्मृति बनाते प्लीज छोड़े इसको जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर सुनहरी यादों का एहसास रहने दो सुरूर दिल में और जुबां पर मिठास रहने बस यही फलसफा है जीने का न रहो खुद उदास न दूसरों को उदास
व्यक्ति घर के लोगों से नहीं पढ़ता भाई बहनों से तो मेरे पास इनको आना
Maybe enjoyed thoroughly, sir. Enjoyed.
Getting late.
ब्रजेश वो send to you. अभी भी मेरे पास पूरी उम्मीद है मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ यस नहीं मैं आता हूँ वीकेंड अरे हथियार डालने ही नहीं है क्या बात
आपको तो लगाई थी मेरी अभी सर से बात हुई सचदेवा सर से वो भी मेरे ख्याल से हम तो गई है पहुँचे
तो है कम से कम नहीं सच्ची
Actually, I am very happy because 25th is
Just
my
2 minutes, huh?
You should be, yeah.
So I have this I want him to keep on his study table, and this number should multiply.
Madam,
in the
money
coming
should
years.
grow.
should
And the PhD should
now it should stop
And the PhD and you know what? I was motivated times.
इसको जो पैसे जाएगा.
रोशन मैडम ने बोला कितनी चमक आ गई
So I have a small this for.
Oh, I like this color. Thank you so much. So thank you.
Congratulations.
इनकी एक PhD 11 के बराबर
This is the reason why. Yes, you know this.
खैर मकदम करता हूँ
आपका ही स्वागत
हाँ हाँ हाँ
ये हमारे MP ग्रंथ अकादमी के बॉस है हमारे।
अच्छा अच्छा।
के कॉलेज से आपका नाता है और मेरे बिल्कुल पिताजी और बड़े भाई जैसे दोनों ही, तो मैं ये बुके उनको भेंट करना चाहता हूँ। आप ले तो सही। एक बुके और इसलिए देना चाहता हूँ जिनकी बिटिया का जन्मदिन है। हैप्पी बर्थडे। तो बिटिया ही ले लेना, बिटिया आ जाए अपना रोल अदा करें इनके गाँव। या शी इज द वन। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन भी हुई है।
करती थी। हाँ, that's good. Thank you. No,
Without her, no PhD is
no
possible.
PhD is possible. Yeah.
वो इसलिए अच्छे से करवा पा रही है।
वो सक्सेना साहब भी है 2 दिन पहले।
अरे फोटो चाहिए ना। अरे फोटो लो। थैंक यू। हो गया इसमें आ रहा है कुछ?
ओके ओके ओके।
जी सर, एक मिनट
आपका इंतजार था।
सर आप इधर आ जाए, थोड़ा सा करीब आ जाए।
आप बिल्कुल नहीं बदले।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
एक फोटो ले लें।
वाइस चांसलर होके रिटायर और अभी अपना खुद का कॉलेज है सर, तो
को सर्व कर
a legend of Indore.
Very good. Thank you very much.
बहुत दिनों बाद आ जाते हैं।
सब लोगों के एग्जाम डिपार्टमेंट को ज्ञान चक्षु खुल गए थे।
चम्मच भी ले
सबसे ऐसा चलिए
यार मुकेश भाई आपने भोजन ले है ना? तो आप जब खाना खा रहे थे तो फोटो ये पकड़ा है।